good sound for me is that people understand everything, and the balance between music and vocals are very important. But you must create a feeling, that's for me very important. My name is Philip Persman and we do mostly events, but also theater and musicals. The Spamalot wine opening night was very good. A little bit tricky because you don't check it with public. It is always difference with public or without public. I like it most on the job is the communication with the actors on stage. For me, it's important that they have good sound for playing the show. I use for this production the Lawo MC Square 56, also a compact I/O rack, and then had a Nova 73 compact rack with 5 DSP cards, 1 Ravenna card, 2 MIDI cards and 1 IS cards. All the RF equipment is via IS signal, so it's very quick and good because it's digital, so there is no I/O conversion needed. In this production we used also wave plugins. The controlling is also with the snapshots, so everything is done in the snapshots, and the controlling of the waves is now on the laptop, but it can also on the desk. For me, is the Lawo very good for musicals because you can extension the faders. So in the rehearsal time, I use the extra fader bay on stage for the monitoring mix. So it's very good to react very fast. Also intercom lines to announcements, everything is via the Lawo. So I can choose what signal goes to the monitoring. Dialogue, I use the Automix because it reduces the background noise of the lights and everything. My favorite feature is that we can split the bass in 2 parts. It's very good for in start-ups in musicals because an other engineer can do his thing and I do my thing here, and this controlling is totally isolated with this desk, so that's very good. For me, the layout very good in the Lawo because you have here the master section and everything is very good to find what you need, and that's for me very important. In rehearsal, you have no time to do it slowly. You must create very fast in musicals. Ik kan die niet even wat soundchecken. Slap maar door ik hoor, slip, slap. Te simpel is het niet. Het is het Finse visslapperslied. I use timecode with this production, but also I send the timecode to the lighting desk, so I can controlling here the timecode. The setup of this desk is for me very good because this is a table pure for controlling, but the processing is a rack on stage and the I/O comes in the I/O rack on stage, and the cable in between is a fiber optic cable, so it's very stable and very good. Lawo for me is stability, the sound quality and ergonomy of the table. This is for me a complete package. This is the full controlling of audio.